Alright, so today I'm going to be working on my M5. I just got my new LCI steering wheel from like a 2014 and up M6. I'm going to replace this ugly steering wheel with that one. So first thing I got to do is disconnect the battery. What I'm going to do is pull the negative terminal off, and that should be fine to pull the airbag and unhook the steering wheel. Alright, so the next step was to take a screwdriver, something like this, that fits in the hole. There's a little hole behind the steering wheel. You poke this screwdriver in there, and it releases the airbag. There's that little latch right there. So basically that pulls up, and the airbag just pops out. Now I just got to disconnect it and then undo that screw right there, and the steering wheel should come right out. Alright, so I got this top wire disconnected, this bottom one here. That's what the airbag looks like on the back side of it. So when this little tab right here is being pulled up, it moves these little two pieces right here and makes the airbag pop out. Like that. You press that up, airbag pops out. Alright, so once you undo this 15mm bolt right here, take the steering wheel off, put the new one on, tighten it real tight, plug these two wires back in. Now it's time to put the airbag back in, and we're almost done. So this is the back of the LCI airbag. That's what it looks like. So this little yellow connector plugs in right there up at the top, and then I should be able to just push this airbag. It'll snap into place, and we're done. Alright, so the connector's plugged in. I pushed it in. It snapped, so it's nice and tight now, and now it's time to get the battery plugged back in and make sure we don't have any airbag warnings, and we're done with this install. Alright, so I got the battery tightened back up. I'm going to walk around. Got the key right here. I'm going to start it. Alright, it's perfect. No airbag light. So we're done. About 10-minute job. It's about a 10-minute job, but the looks of this new steering wheel are so much nicer. Now I just got to take it for a spin, make sure the paddle shifters work, all the buttons on the steering wheel work, and that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching.